Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will show you something very cool. Before I start, let me ask you, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell notification. As soon as you click the subscribe button, it's gonna show. That will allow you to get all the videos each time I upload. Today, I will show you how to trim a video after you upload it to YouTube using the Studio Beta. We're gonna do that. First thing you have to do is head to the channel logo right here on the upper right corner. Click on it. You see where it says Creator Studio? Click on Creator Studio. Then to the right you can see Try Studio Beta. Click on it. The left right corner, the left upper corner right here. As soon as you click on it, now the Studio Beta is about to open. Here you have the Studio Beta open. Now you have to look for the video that you want to trim. You can trim a video that you upload, and you can trim a video that you upload live, a live stream. Okay, so we're gonna work on a live video right now. Here I can see my video, the video that I want to trim. I just click on it. As soon as you click on the video, you have that page open. This is where you put all your title, description, your thumbnail, and tags, and everything. Normally we're not staying right here. We're going to editor right here to the left. You see where I'm moving the mouse? We click on it. Okay, as soon as you click on it, you will have that nice screen open. Here is your video, and here are different parts of your video. This is the part we will be editing. To start, we have to click on the play button right here. While you're listening to the video playing, it will help you identify where exactly you want to remove, which part of the video you don't need. I'm listening. Almost there. Let's move it a little bit more. Let's move it. Let's move it.
So watch later.
Okay, right here.
Do you know, guys?
Okay. Let's
Hey
stop
guys.
it. Okay, I'm stopping it right here. Okay, this part right here, I don't need it. I just want to stay with this part right here. Then I will click where it says trim. You see? Trim. And I click on it. As soon as you click on trim, you have that blue box open. It says split, and then it says cancel. I will move that mouse right here to trim. You see it? I move it. This part that is faded in black, this is the part you don't need. Then I click on split. First, let's preview it. Let's preview it. Then click on save, and then we're gonna preview. Let's see, we're gonna see exactly what we just did. Now it's saving the video right now. I give it a little time. Okay, here before it save it, it shows you something. It says save changes, and then it might take a few hours for your changes to apply. During that time, viewers will see the current version of the video. You won't be able to make other changes to the video. While you wait, you can leave this site. Here, I will click save because I am ready to save the video. You see this part right here, this is the part you don't need. And then in the bottom right here, it says video is being processed. Please check back later. So I'm not gonna even bother clicking preview or anything. I'm just gonna leave the site. I will let the video, I will wait until it's ready to come back to check to see if it trimmed the video the way I want it to trim it. So guys, this is the way you can trim a video on YouTube after you upload it in the new Studio Beta. If you have more questions, if there's something else to ask, this was a request from one of my subscribers. So hopefully you're happy about that. And thank you. Don't forget to subscribe again if you are new to the channel. Click the like button, leave me a comment, share the video with someone you're